What do you have in your mouth? Huh? What's in your mouth? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see you. Who's got a sock in his mouth? Who's got a sock in his mouth? It's supposed to be on your foot, not in your mouth. It's supposed to be on your foot, you silly boy. Okay, come on. I think you're learning too much from Belle. You're learning too much from Belle. Ben. Let mommy see. Let mommy see. Even Belle doesn't walk around with a sock in her mouth this long. Let me see. Ben. Ben. Trade it out for the other sock. I don't know where he learned this. Busy, busy. If he puts that in his mouth, I'm gonna laugh.